Hey there, how's your sales journey going on? Today, we are going to talk about how you can manage the contacts enrolled in your sequence inside HubSpot. Now, in case you want to manage your contacts which are enrolled in a sequence, all you need to do is inside HubSpot, click on Automation. Now click on Sequences. Here you will see the name of the sequences that you have created. We have this new sequence over here. In the enrollment section, if we go over there and if we remove all of the filters, we will be able to see all of the people who have been assigned here. So as can be seen, we have around 5 contacts over here, and out of these contacts, a lot of have been enrolled by different people at different points of time. 2 of these have finished the overall sequence procedures, while 3 of them are still in progress. Now, if you wish to manage your contacts inside your sequence, you can easily remove them, unenroll them, or pause them inside the sequence so that they are not sent the automated emails that you had set up in the sequence. And you can also pause them so that they don't get the email which you had set up inside the sequence. You can also click on Actions, then Edit in order to edit the enrollment of the particular person. So for example, Rishi had been enrolled by me, and in case they complete all of these steps, they will get this email. So for example, we have an automated email on day 1 which is sent today. So maybe he missed our meeting today and I waited for him and all of that. So then we can create a call task on day 2 so that when I call Rishi and then we connect on the call, then maybe this sequence will go ahead, and then we can create one another task in a business day wherein we can leave a note or something, please mail me back or something like that, and then you can just click on Save Changes in order to edit the enrollment of a particular contact. You can also click on Actions and then click on Unenroll in order to remove a contact from your sequence. If you click on the performance section inside your sequence, you will see all of the enrollments, you will see all of the details, meeting rates, etc. In the steps section inside your sequence, you get all of the other details. For example, the steps inside your sequence, all of the things that you had created. You can also add more steps in here, and in this way, you can give more value to your enrolled contacts. In the automation section, you can also create a workflow in order to automate your sequence enrollments. So guys, I hope that was informative and you are not running into any issues. In case you are still running into some troubles, feel free to reach out to us via the comments below, or you can book a free one-on-one consultation call with us via the link in the pinned comment below or via the QR code on the screen in front of you. And we at CTA9 are always more than happy to assist you in building the HubSpot project or inbound marketing project of your dreams. Don't hesitate at all. Reach out to us today.